You should go to China.
Let's go!
So, coming to China, you have a decision to make. Do you want this? Or do you want this? This? Or this? You really have to decide. You have to do your research to figure out what type of city do you want to live in, because I can tell you from now, it's gonna be so different. You have cities that are small, tranquil, quaint, where you really get a chance to thrive in the culture, experience all the traditions, all the celebrations. You actually get to see China. And then there is this. Now, for some people, they love the excitement, the upbeat Shanghai, busy streets, hustle and bustle, feeling like Manhattan, New York. But for others like me, I like a little bit more quiet vibe where I live in a city called Jiaxing in Zhejiang province, China. Now, there are tons of cities like Jiaxing that are surrounded by a lot of bigger cities. So you have Hangzhou, Suzhou, Ningbo. All these other cities are huge cities, and in China, you have a tier system. Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3. Now, the tier system classifies cities in China based on economic development, population size, and purchasing power. It is used as a guide for businesses to understand the market potential and consumer behavior in different cities. The tiers range from Tier 1 cities like Beijing and Shanghai to Tier 4 cities, which are smaller cities with lower economic development and purchasing power. So if you're planning on coming to China, understanding the city tier system is important for businesses looking to enter the Chinese market or for foreigners coming to work in China. This is extremely important as salaries vary significantly. So does the standard of living, the amenities, the access to Western commodities like your fast food restaurants, McDonald's, KFC. You'll probably have to travel very far to get these things if you're not having them in your city. Especially like clothing brands, H&M, Zara. If you're interested in those things, you will need to travel at least 2 hours outside of your city to get to those amenities. You may also find that some of these Tier 3 cities and Tier 4 cities, they do not have adequate transport. And so you'd have to travel also another 2 or 3 hours just to get to a train station or an airport. Now that you have a general understanding of the variety of Chinese cities and the actual choosing process, we're going to jump right into the apartments and housing accommodation that we have in China, and we'll be doing that in our next video. So go ahead, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!